What's up guys? Today I'm going to put you through a quick 10-minute full body workout you can do with minimal weights at home. It's going to be 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's get started. The first exercise we're going to be doing is alternating chest presses. It's going to get down on the ground like this. We're going back and forth just like this. We go nice and slow. This is just the beginning of the workout. Just 45 seconds on, guys. All right. The second exercise is crunches. All right, you're gonna hold the back of your head and just lift up, engaging in the core. Don't pull on your neck, just support your head. Perfect. All right, guys, the next exercise is going to be squat shoulder presses. You're going to have the weights right up here. You're going to squat down, you're going to come up, you're going to shoulder press. Squat down, come up, shoulder press. Ten seconds left, guys. Perfect. The next exercise is going to be alternating bird dogs. Just like this. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Perfect. Next exercise is going to be hammer curls. You're going to alternate just like this. Keeping a solid, slow pace. About 10 seconds. Perfect. All right, guys, the next exercise is gonna be overhead tricep extensions. You can just use one of your weights, bring it overhead like this. About 3, 2, 1. Just like this, guys.
Girl, where did you come from? Never seen a girl move quite like you. Girl, where are you going? Is there room for me and you? I'll speak so softly. I need your body on top of me. Come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah.
About 8 seconds. You can go nice and slow. Almost there, guys. 3, 2. Perfect. All right, the next exercise is going to be renegade rows. All right, let's go. Alternating back and forth just like this. Trying to keep those hips as low as possible.
Come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything you need.
Awesome job, guys. All right, the next exercise is going to be deadlifts.
Girl, is it your birthday? 'Cause the way you got the cake got me feeling in the worst way. I don't know, girl, what I'm supposed to do yet. Playing it cool, but
So you're going to hinge at the hips, go down, come up, squeezing the glutes. Down, up, squeezing the glutes.
fold you like some origami. You got me, I'm so hooked on you, baby. You got me feeling all different. You got me feeling on your body while you're cooking in the kitchen. I'll fill that cup up, got pina colada.
Keeping that back straight.
The sweetest can get. Girl, I'm a little bit obsessed. Girl, come on, baby, hold that curvy body all on me. Got the kind of body make a boy drop to his knees. I'm so weak. Yeah, yeah. I hope you need me. Yeah, yeah. The way I need you on and on with what you say. I'll give you anything you
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah. I wanna feel that body move. Yeah,
Next, we're going to do steam engines. So you have your hands behind your head, going back and forth just like this.
Yeah, my girl from Argentina, I knew right when I seen her. I love this girl forever, I knew right then that I needed her.
Perfect. Guys, we got one more exercise.
I must be her mate. I don't gotta wait and see, I got a sense of urgency. I got a perfect girl with me, gonna take a trip to Buenos Aires. Where you going, I'll be going.
Last exercise is going to be V-ups. So down like this, up like this. Down like this, up like this.
I wanna have sons and daughters with you. In Mendoza, I told you, I'm sticking to you like glue.
Awesome job today, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment what you want me to do next, and subscribe. Thanks.